Good morning, students, and welcome for your next maths lecture. Now, students, yesterday only you all finished with your first unit test. Okay. Now, students, from today onwards, we are going to start studying a further portion for our first semester exam. Okay. So, students, today we are going to start with the new chapter, and the name of that chapter is multiplication. Today, students, we are going to start with our first chapter for the unit test, for the semester exam, that is multiplication part 1. Okay. Now, students, let us see what is multiplication. You all know what is multiplication. Now, you all will tell me that teacher, multiplication is like saying the tables as we know the tables, and that yes, it is similarly, but first you are going to learn the multiplication with the basic things. Okay, so first let us understand the concept of what is multiplication. Answer: multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition means if one number is being repeated again and again, and the answer what it gets, that is equal to multiplication answer. Okay. The short way of finding the sum when all addings are the same is called multiplication. The short way मतलब short form of finding the sum मतलब आंसर या addition when all add-ins मतलब one या two या three numbers are put together to add, those are known as add-ins, are the same. If those are the same, then it is known as multiplication. Let us see further. Multiplication is repeated addition. Now, how multiplication is repeated addition? Now let us see that. Now look here, students. You can see the number 2 is being added how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times it is being added? 5 times. So the answer is 10. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. You will get the answer as 10 because the number 2 is being added 5 times. इसमें बच्चों देखो अभी नंबर 2 को कितनी बार ऐड किया है? 5 टाइम्स. कितनी बार ऐड किया है? 5 टाइम्स. तो नंबर 2 को 5 टाइम्स ऐड करके आपको क्या आंसर मिला है? 10. Very good. Here 2 has been added 5 times. We write 2 5 times is 10. What they have told that number 2 has been added 5 times. Okay, so we write 2 5 times is 10. मतलब यहाँ पे नंबर 2 को 5 टाइम्स ऐड किया है बराबर. सो 2 5 टाइम्स इज 10. 5 टाइम्स मतलब क्या है? Another word is of multiplication, that is the multiplication. So 2 5 times is 10. मतलब नंबर 2 का 5 टाइम्स क्या है? 10 है. Okay. In short form, we write it as 5 into 2 is equal to 10. This is the short form. तो multiplication क्या है? Addition का क्या है? Short form है. Okay. तो 5 into 2. Why 5? Because 2 को कितनी बार ऐड किया है? 5 बार ऐड किया है बराबर. So 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. Okay. So each of the numbers 5 and 2 is called a factor and the number 10 is called the product. अभी जो नंबर है 5 and 2, वो दोनों नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लिकेशन में क्या बोलते हैं? फैक्टर. क्या बोलते हैं? फैक्टर. और उसका जो आंसर आता है उसको बोलते हैं प्रोडक्ट. दैट इज व्हाट? प्रोडक्ट. सो दिस इज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ फैक्टर एंड प्रोडक्ट. नाउ लेट अस सी फर्दर. Properties of multiplication. Now students, I have told you all what is the exactly meaning of multiplication. Okay. Now let us see what are the properties of multiplication. when you will solve the multiplication sums, that time in those sums there will be of different varieties, there will be of different properties. So for solving that multiplication sum, you need to learn some properties. Okay, once those properties are being cleared with you all, you can solve the sum of multiplication very easily. Now let us solve and let us learn the properties of multiplication. So here property number one is order property of multiplication. It is order property of multiplication. That is, if the order of the factors is changed, the product does not change. If the order matlab places, order matlab places of the factors matlab क्वेश्चन, जो क्वेश्चन है मल्टीप्लिकेशन का उसको क्या बोलते हैं फैक्टर्स, उसका ऑर्डर या उसका प्लेस अगर आप लोगों ने चेंज किया, हम लोगों ने वो चेंज किया, द प्रोडक्ट डज नॉट चेंज, मतलब उसका आंसर चेंज नहीं होगा. इफ यू विल डू द सिमिलर थिंग्स इन एडिशन एंड सबट्रैक्शन, डेफिनेटली द आंसर्स विल चेंज, बट इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन आप अगर उसकी जगह चेंज करेंगे तो वो आंसर चेंज नहीं होगा, आंसर तो कांस्टेंट ही रहेगा. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी example. So for example, 4 into 5 is equal to 4 into 5, 4 multiplied by 5. Okay, so 4 5s, that is 5 times 4, how many times? 5 times, that is, sorry, 4 5 को 4 times लिखना है. So here it is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many times you have written 5? 4 times. Okay. So which is equal to 20. Now 4 5s is 20. And if you will do the addition, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20. So the answer is 20. Now next. पहले क्या लिखा था 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. अभी हम लोगों ने वो फैक्टर्स का प्लेस चेंज किया, ऑर्डर चेंज किया. अभी कैसे लिखा है 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4. ओके, सो 4 5 times, that is, so you have to write the number 4 for how many times? 5 times. So that is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is also equal to 20. That is 5 4s is 20. If we'll do the addition of 4 for 5 times, that is 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 4, 20. Okay, so in this way, if we change the order of the factors, the product will not change. The product will be same. Is this property 1 clear to you all? Okay. Now students, this property 1 you have to keep it in your mind, and this is an important property of multiplication. Now let us see further. Property number 2. Zero property of multiplication. Now let us see what is zero property of multiplication. If 0 is one of the factors, the product is 0. Now zero property of multiplication means अगर multiplication के sum में क्वेश्चन में अगर 0 है तो उसका आंसर क्या होगा? प्रोडक्ट विल बी 0. ओके, let us see for example 0 multiplied by 4, that is, if 0 is multiplied by any number, the product is 0. So 0 multiplied by 4 is equal to 0. Now see in that factors it is 0 multiplied by 4. तो दोनों factors में से एक factor 0 है. Okay, so ultimately the product will be 0. Any number multiplied by 0, the answer will be 0. Now see here, 7 multiplied by 0. 7 multiplied by 0. That is, any number if multiplied by 0 also gives the product as 0. So 7 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So if the number 0 in factors, if it takes any place, but ultimately the answer will be 0, only answer will not differ there. Okay. कौन सा भी नंबर से अगर आपने 0 को मल्टीप्लाई किया तो आपका आंसर 0 ही रहेगा. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके. नेक्स्ट property number 3, that is one property of multiplication. That is one property of multiplication. Now let us see what is one property of multiplication. If a number is multiplied by 1, the product is equal to that number. If a number is multiplied, if a particular number, if a particular factor is multiplied by 1, the product is equal to that number. अगर कोई भी नंबर को आप 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वो आंसर में 1 नहीं आएगा. जिस नंबर को आपने मल्टीप्लाई किया वही आंसर रहेगा. दैट विल बी द ओनली प्रोडक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नाउ लेट अस सी एन एग्जाम्पल. 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8. That is a number when multiplied by 1 gives a number as a product. Now you can see 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8. Now any number multiplied by 1 is a number itself. So that is 8 is the number itself. As you all know, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 2, 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, 5 ones are 5. So any number multiplied by 1 is equal to the same number, like 100 multiplied by 1 is equal to 100 only. Or 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6. That is, if 1 is multiplied by any other number, it also gives the product as 6. अगर आप 1 से किसी भी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो जो नंबर को आपने मल्टीप्लाई किया है वही आंसर में सेम नंबर रहेगा. So here 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6. So the answer is the same. Okay. Now students, these are the 3 important properties of multiplication which you need to learn and understand it properly and keep these properties in your mind while solving the sums of multiplication. Okay. Now students, now let us solve the exercise of multiplication.
Now students, we are going to start with this multiplication part 1, formative assessment. Okay, in that classwork, multiply the following. We are going to begin with this question, that is multiply the following. Now students, the first one is 53 multiplied by 8. 53 multiplied by 8. Okay, so they have already given us how to write the question and the factors. Okay, multiplant and multiplier. So here multiplication sign they have given and 53. So 3 is at units place and 5 is at tens place. So 5 and 0, that is 50 because it is at tens place, and 3 is at units place, and this is the multiplier that you will write below the multiplication sign. Now students, 8 5s is 40. So you will write 40 and this plus this 10. So you will write it as 400. Okay, and then 8 3s are 24. It is 8 3s is 24. Now to find out the final answer, you need to add this both the numbers. So you will write 400 plus 24. As you know, while doing the addition, you have to write always from the units place. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 2, 2. And that this 4 you will write as it is. So the answer is 424. Now students, see the second one. Second one is 25 multiplied by 9. So they have given multiplication sign. First number is 25. So 5 is at units place, you will write there, and 2 is at tens place. So 20. 2 and plus 1 0 because it is at tens place. And multiplier, that is 9. So that you will write below multiplication sign. Now let us solve this. 9 2s are 18. So you will write 18. And this plus 1 0, that is 180. 9 5s are 45. Okay, now let us do the addition. So 180 plus 45. Okay, 0 plus 5 5, 8 plus 4 12. So 2 you will write, 1 you will carry. 1 plus 1 2. So the answer is 225. Now students, look at the third sum. Third sum, it is 86 multiplied by 5. Third one is 86 multiplied by 5. Now they haven't given us anything in the box. Now students, we have to write. Here first we will give the multiplication sign. Okay, then we will write the first number, that is 86. So 6 you will write at units place, and 8 you will write at tens place. So that is 80. Okay, and 5 you will write below multiplication sign. Now let us solve this. 5 8s are 40, and plus this 1 0, so it is 400. 5 6s are 30. Okay, now let us do the addition. 400 plus 30. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3, and 4 you will write as it is. So the answer is 430. Now students, look at the fourth one. Fourth one, it is 75 multiplied by 11. It is 75 multiplied by 11. Now students, your first number is 75. First we will give the multiplication sign. Okay, first number is 75. So first write 5 at units place, 7 at tens place, that is 70. Okay, the next number is 11. So 11, that is 10 plus 1. So 1 is at units place, so you will write at units place. This one is at tens place, so you will write it as 10. Okay students, now see, here also it is a 0, here also it is 0. Forget about 0. Okay, just see the number 1. Now 1 7s are 7. Here it is 1 0, so you will write this 0. Here it is 1 0, so you will write it 1 0. Okay, 1 5s are 5. Okay, so here it is 1 0, so that 0 you will write here. There is no 0 here, so you will not write anything. Now next number is 1. 1 7s are 7. Here it is 1 0, so that 0 you will write here. And 1 5s are 5. Okay, in this way you have done the multiplication. Now students, you will do the addition. So for addition, first you will write this number, that is 700 plus 50 plus next number 70 plus next number, that is 5. Okay, now do the addition. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 5. Next 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 7 12. So you will write 2, 1 you will carry. So 1 plus 7 is 8. So the answer is 825. Now students, look at the fifth sum. Fifth sum is 41 multiplied by 14. So first you will write the multiplication sign. Okay, so first number is 41. 1 at units place, tens place, 40. Next number is 14. 14 is a multiplier. So 4 at again units place and tens place 1. So you will write 10. Okay, again here 1 4s are 4. This 0 you will write here, and this 0 also you will write here. 1 1s are 1. This 0 you will write here. There is no 0 here, so here it will be only 10. Next is 4. 4 fours are 16. And that 1 0. 4 ones are 4. So students, we have multiplied the number. Now let us do the addition. First is 400 plus 10 plus 160, 0, 6 and 1 plus 4. So here 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. Okay. 0 plus 1 it is 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. And here 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 574. Now students, look at the sixth one. Sixth one is 68 multiplied by 12. So first you will write the multiplication sign. 68. So 60 and 8. Okay, that is 60 plus 8. 12, that is 10 plus 2. Okay, or units place and tens place and units place. Like that also you all can identify and write it. 1 6 are 6. So this 0 you will write here and this another 0. 1 8 are 8 and that 1 0. Okay. Next 2 6 are 12. Here you have 1 0, so that 0 you will write here. 2 8 are 16. Okay. Now the next step is that we have to do the addition. So first number is 600 plus 80 plus 120. So 0 2 1 plus 16. So 6 and 1. Okay. So 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 6, it is 6. Okay. 0 plus 8, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 you will write and 1 you will carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So the answer is 816. Now students, look at the seventh one. It is 60 multiplied by 25. First step is that write multiplication sign. 60. So 60 plus 0. 0 is at units place, tens place 6, so 60. 25. So 20 plus 5, it is 25. Now here see, 2 6 are 12. Okay, so this 1 0 you first will write that 1 0, then this 0. 2 zeros are 0 and this 0 you will write here. Okay, next 5 6 are 30 and this one 0. 5 zeros are 0. As we learned in the properties of multiplication that any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Let us do the addition. 1200 plus 00 plus 300. So 0, 0 and 3 plus only 0. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0 and 0 plus 0, 0. So your answer is 0. Again here 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 3, 5 and 1 will come as it is. So the answer is 1500. Answer is 1500. Now students, look at the 8th one. It is 78 multiplied by 60. First step is write multiplication sign. 70 plus 8. Okay, 16. So 10 plus 6. 1 7 is 7. This 0. This 0. Okay. 1 8 is 8. And this one 0. Now 6 7 is 42. And this one 0. 6 8 is 48. Okay. Now let us do the addition. 700 plus 80 plus 0 2 4 plus 48, that is 8 and 4, because we have to always start writing from the units place. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 8, it is 8. Okay, 0 plus 8 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 14. So 4 you will write, 1 you will carry. 1 plus 7 8, and 8 plus 4 12. So the answer is 1248. Now students, 9th one is 45 multiplied by 5. So first step, put multiplication sign. 40 plus 5. Okay, and here it will be only 5. 5 4s are 20, and this one 0. 5 5s are 25. So 200 plus 25. 0 plus 5 5, 0 plus 2 2, and that 2 you will write as it is. So the answer is 225. Now students, here 10th one is 65 multiplied by 8. So first step, write multiplication sign. 60 plus 5, and here it will be 8. 8 6 are 48, and that one 0. 8 5 are 40. Now let us do the addition. 480 plus 40. Okay, 0 plus 0 0. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 2 you will write, 1 you will carry. 4 plus 1 is 5. Answer is 520.